Bitcoin falling? This is a trap. You wanna know everything about the crypto world? Smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max with your host for the most here, Rodrigo Arnedo. And we were so sad this weekend, weren't we? Because Bitcoin was going down 16-17% drop since the all-time high. And you can see that we are going up again. So, as always, Bitcoin goes down, then goes up. And we have to talk today about the gap in the CME futures because I nailed it again. You can see that we closed this one last week, but we just closed the new one and the price went exactly to the point that we talked about in previous videos. And you can see that this is a good thing because now we are free with our homework done to go up. But also we have some other gaps of the CME futures just down than the point that we are right now. So maybe Bitcoin has to go to $20,000. Well, even we have one in 9,600, which can be a disaster for Bitcoin. But if not, if this is just a crisis like Bitcoin needs to have in its way up, well, then we are recovering already. And we have here this example with all the time we've been going up in the previous time. And you can see here from this moving average, we drop 14%. Here we drop again from the green line, 14%. Here we drop, yes, you guessed that, 14%. What about here? Well, it was just a 10%. And now we are not even that 10% down. So maybe we need to have a correction of this 14% and go to the red line as we did here. That would be around $57,000 and that would be okay. That would be fine. We told you everything about these risks in previous videos. What about the SEC going after Uniswap and how they are trying to delay all these advancements for the crypto world? But also we told you that we are just 5 days away today for the halving event. 3-4 days is what the Bitcoin halving countdown is telling us here. So interesting. What about the halving? Well, here, this Swiss newspaper reported that on the halving, the number of new Bitcoins will double. This is not true whatsoever. So you can see that up there, they don't have no idea what is going to happen. Remember, you can go to findontheright.com if you have no idea. And there we have blockchain and Bitcoin for beginners, a section where you can learn the basics. Any case, here is the halving chart that we were visiting in previous crypto news. Remember to smash the like button. And today we are these 4-5 days to the 20th of April, the day that we'll have that halving. And we have to go again to the past and see what happened at these points. Like, for example, here we went up 2 more days and then down till the halving. What about 2016? Well, from the point we are right now, flat and down. And if we consider the first halving, if you believe that we are doing the same right now, well, you can see that we went up for a little bit, 2 more days, and then down 2 more days. This is all here in this chart. Remember, if you love my charts, smash the like button. And you can see that the path that we are following the most is the blue line. So now we should recover. And if that's the line that we are following, that means that maybe by August we'll be in 1.5 million worth 1 Bitcoin. This is crazy. We told you about in Crypto News. Watch all those videos where we told you some fears that explain why Bitcoin price is going down. Like this data from United States is not being good data. And the markets now are concerned about the situation in the economy in the world. What about those rates? Are those going to be cut or not, or even the contrary? And right now we have Europe saying that in the central bank, they are going to rise those rates for the first time in a long time. So that's not a good one. And also we had this bad one with Iran and Israel and etc., how those tensions are escalating. And some people believe that that was why Bitcoin price fell this weekend, but some people also disagree. So we have some controversy out there in the community. Some people believe that this is not related, but it's true also that at the very same moment that we have the piece of information, the price of Bitcoin started going down. So as we always say, this is a multi-variable ecosystem, and yes, this was, in my opinion, one of the variables, of course. But we have some good news that are also variables in this ecosystem. Like, for example, today we were expecting this, and this come to fruition. The Hong Kong ETFs are now approved, and that means that maybe a lot of money is coming into the market from China, from Asia. We told you everything about this in our previous videos. The narrative that all these people is going to bring in or bring up to $25 billion the first year in those ETFs. You have all the information and the charts about this effect in the last video. So go right now and watch it. The market still's greedy, even though we have bad news. And if you are concerned, you're not sure if you should buy or not, well, remember that this Mr. 100 keeps on buying every day. So again, it bought the dip. And remember also that we are following these patterns in the weekly chart, and you can see this is the week in a daily time frame, and you can see that Mondays we should go up, and we are going up right now. So this might happen again. Dollar is going a little bit down, that might be good, and the ASEAN market ended up, so that's also a good one. The day that gold made an all-time high in 2,400, and you can see here the ETF. And remember that those went up for 5 years in a row. So maybe now Bitcoin, after the approval of the ETF, will go down or up, better said, for the next 5 years. And the thumbnail of today's video, why we believe is a trap, because all this from China, all this from Hong Kong, is also this bullish pennant that we have here, that we told you that it might happen. I had to draw it myself with these white lines. And right now, with TradingView, it's automatic. And we have a target of 100 and plus for Bitcoin. So, yeah, remember that in the last ones, one of them didn't went well, but the second one did made the target. So maybe we are going now to that 100K and higher. And also consider that in the weekly time frame, we closed the week and it was above the all-time highs closes. So it's okay. I mean, it feels like still a bit of accumulation out there. CryptoProof telling us new week and new weekly close about the all-time high for 2021. All this panic in the last few days was completely in vain. It just shows how unimportant short-term price action is. It's often just noise. The bull market is far from over. The market in the green, our favorite color, and Michael Saylor casually dropping this chart as markets closed on Friday. So the idea here that maybe gold is doing okay, but we have a 16% here since August the 10th, when MicroStrategy adopted its Bitcoin strategy, and Bitcoin's up 463, Standard & Poor's 52%, Nasdaq 47%. So crazy stuff. The bubbles are in the green, and you can see that NEO still going up. So this narrative of Hong Kong and China, the ASEAN market coming into crypto, is going to probably make some Chinese-related cryptocurrencies to go higher, like in this case, NEO. So maybe we'll make money after all. If you go to CoinGecko, you'll see NEO is all-time high right now, is the number one. We have their Ondo 2, we have Beam, we have BitChain. So again, like China-related cryptocurrencies are there. Also the dog with the hat. And stable coins are the worst today. So that means the money is flooding into the market. Ethereum touched the $3,000 line, even we broke it, and we had support in this line that we draw from previous lows. So everything is on track right now for Ethereum, and we are ready to attempt again going to $4,000, which is being quite a nightmare right now. Also, if you want to know more about these tokens, you have Dexturs.io. Of course, you can see there Grok going up. Even Dex token is going up today for good. So nice. And about Grok and X and Elon Musk, we have this meeting with Argentina president. So we'll see what comes from there. And we have here Elon Musk dancing with this famous meme that is going all over Twitter. You have here even McDonald's dancing with this. And if you want this, you can go to our AI channel and learn how to do it and have some fun watching myself and CryptoNews team dancing. You have also Sam Bankman-Fried doing it here.
No one knew how much risk was in that system.
With a specific song, of course.
No one knew how much risk was in that system.
No one knows how much risk was in that system. That's what this guy is singing. It's not funny, but in any case, this is history. And Bitcoin is looking for new all-time highs. This is all for today. We don't have time even for a cut. So if you want more, go to AI channel and learn about artificial intelligence. If you want more about crypto, then watch one of these two videos or maybe one of the 1,800 we have out there. And we are researching already for tomorrow crypto news here with Rodrigo Arnedo. Health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!